Happy Monday, Castle family. This is Katrina and Amanda here with your weekly Castle communication. First of all, some updates. I know last week we said we would have a step to the office protocol ready for you in your boxes today. We are still working on that. We're working with Kim to make sure that we have some positive interventions along with the consequences. So that will be coming out to you guys soon.
All right, we are at that time when we need to start identifying our students who are at risk for retention. We have some detailed information for you that we will put in your boxes by Wednesday. Once you have identified those students who are at risk, you will need to complete a student at risk form and review it with those parents during parent-teacher conferences. Again, we'll have more detailed information in your boxes.
And then tomorrow we will have our earthquake and fire drill back to back. So that'll be at 2:00 p.m. Look for a revised buddy list and map in your boxes by tomorrow morning.
Extended day for quarter one is wrapping up this week. Friday is the last day. We will be doing online registration for quarter two here at Castle on Friday the 20th and Monday and Tuesday the 23rd and 24th. A flyer with a screencast will be coming out on Wednesday to show to students so they can see what electives are available for quarter two.
And then Castle Grand reopening, just kind of a continual reminder, that will be on the 27th, not this Friday, but next Friday at 9:30. Previously we said 9, but it is 9:30 on the blacktop.
A few reminders. Tomorrow we will have our school site council meeting for our newly elective members at 3:30 in the Family Resource Center.
And then reminder, PLC meetings this week on Wednesday, 2:15 to 3:20. You'll be meeting with your grade levels, and this is your time to do your lesson planning.
We will have our leadership meeting on Wednesday from 3:30 to 4:30. So if you're on leadership, we will see you there.
And then just a reminder, our Math Interim 1 window opens today through the end of the week. Please make sure that you test your students.
Last week we started our ELA Interim Data Protocol. We would like you to have this completed by this Friday. After those are complete, we will have you meet with us to do a quick debrief. And then make sure that all of your students completed the ELA Interim 1.5. We sent an email out letting you know how many students still needed to take that interim per grade level.
And then for evaluations, we had said we'd have a sign up Monday for permanent staff. We're going to postpone that till Friday, so look for that sign up on our door. If you are M through Z, you'll be signing up for your observation. And then we need to debrief with anyone we observed last week, so please stop by so that we can go over your observation.
And parent-teacher conferences are next week. We have a 1 hour early out all next week. A flyer will be sent home at the end of the week so parents are notified. And just a reminder, if you are taking a day sub for conferences, those will be held in the library or the Family Resource Center. And then those that are holding conferences after school, you are free to hold those in your classrooms. Please send a teacher conference list to Natalie and Destiny.
And then just a reminder for Red Ribbon Week, that will be next week, and we will have a list of events and flyers in your boxes. Thanks to Mary Rydell for getting that organized.
And PE minutes, make sure you're logging those in daily. Don't forget to log in the minutes during lab rotations when your students are with Tony, and those minutes must equal 200 for any 10-day period.
All right, now for some shout outs. We just wanted to recognize Misty, Emilio, Jennifer Wilkins, Jennifer Rodriguez, and Kristen Galletta for getting their rooms back together so quickly. We appreciate our resilient flood victims.
And to Melvin, Anna, Armida, and Joe for helping those teachers get those classrooms back in working order. The students are in there and are now learning, so thank you very much.
And then we appreciate all of your support for help with awards last week. The first iteration went off very smoothly thanks to everybody's efforts.
John, Lisa, Shelley, and Amanda have been doing a great job with our Walk to Learn. Thank you so much for getting Cycle 3 tested and ready to go.
And then Bree and Jill have been hard at work working on Extended Day Iteration 2. Thank you guys for everything you're doing to organize that.
And Dawn, our librarian, has been spending a lot of time researching and ordering several new library books that will spark the interest for our struggling readers. Thank you, Dawn. Thanks for listening, Castle family. Have a great week.